So for the two of you that have been waiting for this video, this is my Reencle Composter. Obviously, it looks a lot more upscale than just a 5-gallon bucket used for bokashi that you probably, because of the smell, want to keep outside. But it has the black stripe on the bottom there is actually a proximity sensor that will open the top lid. And it's kind of dark in there, but you can see I've already got some organic matter in there from dinner last night. Lid closes by itself, or you can open it this way. Either way. And you can turn the top lid on or off so that, like, if you have a dog or something, it would go, ooh, if I get near it, it opens up and I can eat. But it comes with mine came with an extra carbon filter. These supposedly last for a year, but you can also pop them open and replace the carbon that's already in it if you don't like the idea of more plastic being created. I'm one of those people, but it is what it is. The documentation with it is, I think it's been upgraded because I've seen reviews before when people were complaining that it was hard to understand, and there were some things in there that said that you couldn't put in, but that was because South Korea, where this was invented, government didn't want certain things going into the landfills or whatever. So even if you were composting it, they didn't want it in the compost. A little bit more complex laws than we have here, but those, like eggshells was one of them off the top of my head. But that's what it is. I'll slide it around here and you can see it's got rubber feet. And they stick really good to the ground. On the back side that's where the carbon filter goes. At the end of the year, I will probably just replace the activated charcoal that's in the filter itself. But I have not noticed a smell. Some people say that that the lid is way too sensitive and doesn't stay up long enough to get scraps in there. I think it's the perfect amount of time, but it is what it is. So this wasn't an unboxing video, but it gives you just a quick overview of what this thing is.